Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. For people who doesn't know me, I work as a cloud DevOps engineer in the UK for one of the world's leading cybersecurity organizations. With that being said, in today's video we'll talk about how you can start your cloud journey in the UK and what first step you should take to get into the tech industry. Right now, cloud jobs are in high demand in the UK, but because there's a lot of competition, companies are not just looking at your CV or experience, they also want to see certifications. So basically, certifications are a way for companies to check if you really have these skills to work in the cloud. So, if you are a complete beginner and want to enter into the cloud, the best certification to start with is the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. This is an entry level certification that covers almost all the basics of AWS services. So, it discusses things like what is cloud computing, how AWS services work, things related to pricing and billing, and also it covers things like security best practices and cloud support and architecture. Basically, it's designed for people who are new to cloud, so you don't need to have any prior experience to start off with this certification. You might be wondering why AWS? Because AWS is used by almost around 40% of the companies in the UK tech industry. This means that many job roles are related to AWS, and having these certifications give you a strong advantage. It shows employers that you understand the basics and serious about your cloud journey. The good part is this certification is valid for 3 years, unlike other cloud certifications. So once you pass this, you don't have to worry about it for a long time. Also, it's not very hard to prepare. There are many free and paid courses online, including AWS own training materials. Just spend a few weeks and you'll be good to go. So if you're thinking of starting your cloud journey in the UK, this certification is going to be a great addition to your profile. In this channel, we'll also share more tips related to IT certifications, internships, tech workshops in the UK, and job tips related to UK jobs. So stay tuned, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.